So you're sitting around thinking, what are we supposed to do now? You're in a group and you have 3 days to prepare your presentation for the Biome Zoo project. At the end of day one, here's what should happen. You should have a rough draft of your presentation. You don't need scripts at this point, just a rough draft. Kind of like the overall idea for your presentation. You should have a list of who is responsible for what. You should have a listing of the props you'll need to give your presentation, and a listing of construction material that you can bring in from home that you'll need. A great place to start is Mr. Cullen's Weebly site. You click on Zoo Project, scroll down to the bottom, and there are two videos. One, where to start, and the other one is We Are Stuck. Where to start kind of gives you ideas of what you should be doing the first day. We Are Stuck is if after lunch you still don't have a clue of what your presentation is going to look like, it gives you some ideas. But really today is about brainstorming. Brainstorming the idea for the presentation. Brainstorming ideas of what props will enhance it. Brainstorming ideas of what you want to construct and build if you want to do that. You don't have to. Later on today, there will be a Google form sent out to you where if you need construct cardboard, and as you see, we have a lot of cardboard, you're going to have to request it and also tell Mr. Stagg and I why you believe you need cardboard. Also, bring in material from home. Decide things like duct tape, scissors, etc. The best is to bring that in from home. Not every classroom are going to have equal amount of everything. Markers you may want to bring in, etc. Please, the one thing, Mrs. Smith's a great woman, but her art materials are her art materials. They're not for the Biome project. Do not go in her classroom and bother her. She has classes to teach. So at the end of day one, what do you need to do? Rough draft of the presentation. Who is responsible for what? A listing of props needed, and a listing of the construction material needed. Mr. Stagg and I will be walking around the classrooms to find out if you have any other questions. Have fun.